Hi, in this video going to talk about main processing unit, which is the important part of TCMS, train control monitoring system, also known as train control management system. Earlier we have spoken about the same topic. Train control management system, or can say monitoring system, is responsible for controlling and monitoring all the activities which is happening in the train. And we have taken many examples of the controlling and monitoring. Like for example, if one door is isolated in a train, then we will get to know about it with the help of TCMS, because TCMS is monitoring each and every doors of the train, right? And same example is applicable for different subsystems of the train. Like for example, we have different subsystems. We have bogie system, we have TCMS, we have bogie system, we have VAC system, ventilation air conditioning system, auxiliary system, traction converter system, right? Auxiliary converter system. So these are the different systems having their own control electronics, and these control electronics are linked with the TCMS, or can say these control electronics are interfaced with the TCMS in order to obtain proper communication in between this subsystem and TCMS. Now, what is the main processing unit? See, our train is operating automatically. How it is operating automatically? Like for example, doors are opening and closing automatically. Braking is happening automatically, and then speed controlling happening automatically, right? Everything is happening automatically, right? So we can say if something which is operating in automatic way, then that particular thing is a computerized system. We can say computerized thing. A train is also a computerized system, because everything is happening like if train is operating in ATP mode, we can say automatic train protection mode. We have basically two modes of train operation. In simple terminology, I'm explaining about this topic. First is the automatic mode, and second is the non-automatic mode, which is also known as manual mode. In automatic mode, train would operate automatically, right? Speed would control automatically, train would come and stop at the station automatically, right? VAC temperature would control automatically, right? So in this way the train is operating automatically. And second is the non-automatic mode. In non-automatic mode, each and everything will be like happening manually. Like for example, if I want to stop the train, then I need to like stop the train manually with the help of master controller by bringing it down to the braking position, right? So it is very simple thing. Like in automatic mode everything will be automatic, in non-automatic mode everything will be manual. So in automatic mode everything is happening automatic. So how it is happening automatic? It is happening automatic just because of computerized system. If system is computerized, then there would be processor embedded in it, and that process is nothing that is known as MPU, which is also known as main processing unit, right? So as you can see, this is the peak of main processing unit which I have taken from the train. So this is the main processing unit. This is how main processing unit looks like. So main processing unit, if I talk about its function, what actually the function is of main processing unit. First of all, like let's suppose this example, if I want to implement the new software in the train, then I first of all need to execute that software in the train, and then ultimately that particular software would get implemented in the train. So to execute the software and to implement that particular software in the train, this main processing unit is responsible, right? So first is the execution and the implementation of the software in the train, first function of the main processing unit. And second, it provides this set of communication among all of the different components. And third thing, it provides network resources. Like for example, when our train is running in automatic mode, then there would be different events which would be recording in the train, right? And if I want to take that event in my laptop, then I need to connect my laptop with the train. So basically I'm connecting my laptop with the main processing unit, and main processing unit, in this way we can understand from this example, main processing unit providing resources of network, right? Like I am connecting my laptop with the main processing unit, and through which I am fetching the data of the events and logs in my laptop, right? So in this way we can consider this few example. First was the example of the software executing and implementing the new software in the train, and second is like providing the set of communication in between different components, and third is like as I said sometimes back, it provide it provide like network resources. If I want to take the data from train to in my laptop, then I can take it with the help of MPU. Second, it is the master controller of the Ethernet embedded network. So what does it mean? Like for example, in TCMS there are different control electronics. So that control electronics are linked with each other with the help of TCMS, with the help of Ethernet embedded network. So for Ethernet embedded network, this is the master controller. Main processing unit is the master controller for Ethernet embedded network. What we have understood from Ethernet embedded network is that in TCMS there are different electronics component which are embedded with each other with the help of Ethernet network. And to drive that Ethernet network, this main processing unit is the master controller. So these are the four most important functions. First was the example of the software, executing and implementing the new software in the train, providing communication in between different components, and third thing which we have understood, it provide network availability to different like systems. In main processing unit, it has like in main processing unit has been like integrated in the train in DMC1 and DMC2 side. Why we have given the two main processing unit in our train? If one is working as a master, then another one will work as a slave. We can also say a high level of availability, right? If one is failed to operate, then second one would operate in the backup. So that's what has been written here. To ensure a high level of availability, MPU is fitted in each driver car, right? One of the two operates as the master, and the second automatically takes over in case of failure of the other one, right? One will work as a master, and in case if any failure is occurring in the train, then another one will start to work, right? One is fitted in the DMC1 side and another one has been fitted in the DMC2 side.